Lean Coffee Explained. We're going to use this Lean Coffee poster to explain this meeting technique. If you're interested in ordering this poster, please visit incrementor.com. Let's start with the question of what is Lean Coffee? Well, it's a popular meeting facilitation technique since 2009. It started with Lean Startup. It's a simple yet powerful meeting facilitation technique. Why? Because it simply relies on people showing up, wanting to learn or create. This is a facilitation method that can be used in coffee shops or in conference rooms alike, or anything in between. So let's take a look at this poster, and we see three big things that are going on in a lean coffee. First, we're going to gather material, data, things we want to discuss, and prioritize them. Secondly, we start collaborating on them using a board. And last but not least, we have some follow-ups. So these are mainly the three basic steps. Now, if we're going down a little bit more in detail, running a lean coffee, that could look like this. We simply create a board, create some columns with masking tape, for example. We gather some topics we would like to talk among the people that are in the room. Maybe there are some duplicates, we remove them. We prioritize them using any kind of technique. We start a timer, possibly 10 minutes. That's just a suggestion. Then begin talking about the most priority item on the board. Then, after the timer expired, we'll take a vote, and that is simply a majority vote. There are three possible outcomes. I would like to continue. Either way is fine. Next topic, please. I would like to continue with something else. These are the only options the participants have in the room. So you might think voting a topic down is a very negative thing. And some people, yes, have some resistance putting the thumbs down for a topic somebody else has proposed. We just want to be nice, right? However, thumbs down is a very important concept, in our opinion, in lean coffee. Why? Well, picture this. You have a timer that runs for 10 minutes for a specific topic. After 10 minutes, there is a chance the group is going to vote down as a majority the topic down, which means the topic is not going to continue. Now, if you have something important to say or you want to get your word out about that specific topic, you need to do this in the time frame of the timer. That increases the level of engagement. There is a level of urgency for everybody in the room to discuss the topic because there is a timer ticking. The majority vote also allows us to have more topics in the same time slot as we would otherwise have without a lean coffee. And that is the voting down concept as well. It is very important that the audience drives the relevance of the topics for the discussion in the room. That increases the empowerment for employees, participants, or whoever is in the lean coffee. The lean coffee topics, after they have been discussed, it's also helpful to derive the actions that are from the conversations in the room. That is very helpful if there are any kind of learning or to-do items that come out of the group. Just jot them down. It's a great idea. If you like the Lean Coffee poster and you would like to order it, put it in your room, or use it as a facilitator's guide, please visit incrementor.com, go to the Learning Aid section, and order your Lean Coffee poster there. Thank you so much.